Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how easily you can sync your OneNote across devices. And if you are one of those who use OneNote extensively and might be you have created your notebooks in other device and you are struggling to find it here in macOS, then please make sure you are doing these things correct. First and foremost, please make sure that we are using same account. So please verify what your email address is in your macOS as well as in another device. If that is same, then half the battle is already won. Now the second thing, we need to make sure that where is location of my OneNote file. That you can see by making right click on this notebook, and if you can click on share and click on view only, link to notebook. And if it says drive.ms, this means that this notebook already exists in internet. Unfortunately, it is not as intuitive as it is in Android or Windows, where one can easily see the location of it. However, if all these things exist and you are also seeing that your OneDrive is also connected, then what we can do here is we need to simply go here on the top and need to click on open. Then if all these things exist in correct way, then what we can do next is we can go here on the top and then here in file click on open notebook. Now here you need to select your OneDrive and then wait for the drive to refresh, and you should be able to see your other notebooks. And there you go. Here I can see all my notebooks exist here and I can open them whichever I want. And that's how, guys, we can open OneNote notebook all across devices. And that's also wrap up this video. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to the Mac Essential for more such content related to macOS. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.